You are going to love the 2016 Buick LaCrosse. The Buick LaCrosse has a quiet interior, steady and supple ride, and responsive handling, and is priced below $25,000. This vehicle has less than 9,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: stability control, backup camera, remote engine start, anti-lock braking system, steering wheel audio controls, power passenger seat, keyless entry, traction control, Bluetooth, leather-wrapped steering wheel. Is love at first sight really possible? Let us know when you stop in.